I'm Gene Corbett here with Shannons Auto Garage. We're here to do Tech Talk, and we got Dick with his sensational two-door GT Fairlane.
Yeah, it's a 1967 two-door, left-hand drive. I've had it another year and a half. Come out from the States in 2011. And a mate of mine bought it, and I told him that never sold it. He hadn't sold it to me, and he sold it to somebody else. So I didn't talk to him for 4 years. And then the guy who bought it did nothing with it. I just bought it last year. Had it resprayed, spent a lot of money on it, so it's back to where I want it now. Good.
So what have you got done to this thing?
Oh, it's just basically standard made with a high-rise manifold, 4-barrel carby, stainless steel extractors on it. That's about all. Like I'm 70, I don't need to go any faster than it goes.
It's not about how fast you go, it's the style that you go there in.
That's right. It's just a good car for cruising around. It's got books. It'll do me. This will be my last one. I've had heaps over the years, but I've just said I'm 70. They'll see me out this one, I think.
Been enjoying the Cooley Rocks weekend?
Oh, it's fantastic, mate. It's just incredible. It's a great weekend, great atmosphere. There's never any dramas down here, you know, and it's just worth every zack to spend to come down here. It's good.
Tell me about this Studebaker parked beside your car. It's not a bad bit of kit too.
That's my brother's Studi. That's a 1953 Studebaker. It's just sensational design. When you look at the shape and its style for 1953, it's just incredible. It's 4-wheel disc brakes. It's been totally restored from the ground up. It's one of 3 cars he's got. He's got that. He's got another Studebaker 2-door coupe, and he's building a 53 Ute, which is Studebaker, a little white truck. Well, and he's 76, but he's got the room in the garages and the sheds and the hoists, so he can do all that.
Oh, I was going to say, you got no excuse. He's leading the way. You better hurry up and catch up.
Yeah, no, I've got a new 5-bedroom home up the top of the hill there with only 3-car garage. No hoist, no nothing anymore, so that's it. I'm stuck with this one, but I love it.
You could always dig the garage down and put more in downstairs.
Yeah, you could try to do that, yeah. The bride would kill me.
Mate, it's a really, really nice car. What's the colour of it?
The colour is, well, I call it maroon, but when I got it, it was like a brighter red. I've just had it resprayed, and the guy went from the colour under the bonnet. I went through all the shades. He said, I reckon that's original, as close as you could get. So I went with that. Beautiful paint job. And with the guys out at McDonald's Paints at Sandgate, 3 brothers there that just love doing classic cars. Great job.
And that's one of the really cool things about this weekend. You got classic cars such as yours, which were period correct with your own tailor, just what you would have done back in the day. Nice set of wheels, that sort of thing. And then beside it, you got this awesome little rod with the brawn hanging out there for all the world to see. Yeah. It's even got the caravan to store the kids when they're munking up.
Yeah, the guy built that van all by himself, handmade, and he's done a great job on it. I'm just worried about them opening and shutting that door next to my car all the time.
No, it's been a great weekend. Look, thanks for coming. You coming next year as well?
Yeah, I've already booked.
Already booked?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you've got to book here to keep your unit. I've got a 2-car garage, like an underground unit here. You've got to book from one year to the next, otherwise it's gone.
There you go. The word according to Dickie Nee, you've got to book in advance.
That's it. Yeah. You're not here, you're not square.
Thanks very much, mate. Cheers.